I really like to do, leave a place better than I found it. You know, this microwave is like so many others, just there's splatters and stuff. With step one, steam some vinegar or lemon water or just plain water. Get it good and boiling. That softens all the stuff up. And then sprayed with vinegar water, wiped with paper towels. I had also wiped the front door. I spent under 3 minutes doing this for my friend and client and single mama. Like, I would have been fucking psyched if somebody came over and cleaned my microwave.